Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Please, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification. So guys, right here we are going to make we are going to be cutting and stitching a long sleeve. You understand? We are going to be cutting stitching a middle long sleeve. You understand? The way is gonna come over here. You understand? That sleeve that is gonna come over here. You understand what I'm talking about? So that's the that's the we are going to be what stitching today. You understand? So the back is going to be what back 40. You understand? So right here we have folded first we folded half inch, understand? So we and we folded 1.5 inches. So it's 2 inches that we have folded. We have folded half inches on the first one, and we have folded 1.5 the second one. Same to this one, you understand? Same to this one right here, you understand guys? Same to this one right here. So we are going to stitch to the very end as to stitch this part, you understand? So let's get it down right now. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So guys, we are stitching it to والعاديات ضبحا فالموريات قدحا فالمغيرات صبحا فأثرن به نقعا. Let's take the other one to stitch it too. فوسطن به جمعا إن الإنسان لربه لكنود وإنه على ذلك لشهيد وإنه له بالخير لشديد أفلا يعلم إذا بصر ما في القلوب وحصل ما في الصدور إن ربهم يومئذ لخبير. So guys, this is how we stitch this one, you understand? So this is how we stitch this one. This is exactly how to stitch this one, you understand? That is where it's going to be what folded, you understand? So right now we are going to stitch the next part, you understand? So we have finished stitching this one, right? Same to this one, right? So we are going to fold it into two like this. The actual length is what? 14. The actual length is 14 inches, right? The sewing allowance and everything is 14 inches, you understand? So what we are going to do is to fold it into two like this, fold it into two like this, and to fold the other one too, and to fold the other one too, and to fold the other sleeve, because it is sleeve right and sleeve what left, you understand? So it's two, you understand? It's two sleeves, you understand? So we are going to what fold it into two. We are going to fold every single of them to two, understand? So after folding it, this is how it's going to be looking, understand? This is how it's going to be looking after folding it, you understand guys? This is how it's going to be looking after folding it. After folding it, this is exactly how it's going to be what looking. So let's go iron it to make it smooth, because I think it's shaking. So let's go iron it. So guys, we have ironed it and we have marked it. Let me show you how we marked it, you understand? Let me show you quickly how we marked it. So the armhole is going to be what 18, you understand? 18 inches. So we just have to add some inches to make it 9.5, you understand? So this part is going to be what 7 inch, you understand? So you just have to mark it straight like this. You just have to mark it from this part to this part. That is 9 inches, 9.5 inches, and to what mark it straight toward the 7 inches for the what the mouth, you understand? So we're going to be cutting it. So guys, let's cut it. So watch how we are cutting it. We are cutting it from this part, from this down part. The fabric is very stretchy, as we already said that, understand? So we have make it this part. So we are going to be what cutting it, you understand? We're going to be cutting this part if you're watching it carefully, please watch it carefully so that you'll be able to sew it nicely, understand? Cut and stitch it nicely, understand? So we have cut it, you understand? So this is how we cutted it, you understand? This is actually how we cutted it. So we are going to mark this side. We are going to mark this side, or we are going to take this side for the what, where we are going to be what, stitching it, understand? So if you open it like this, it's going to be looking like this. It's going to be looking exactly like this, understand? So both the two is going to be looking exactly like this. So this is exactly how to what, to cut and what, stitch the long sleeve, the middle long sleeve, you understand? We haven't attached it to the what, we haven't attached it to the what, the shirt yet. We haven't attached it to the shirt yet. We just coming to what, cut and stitch the shirt too. So this is exactly how to stitch the what, a the middle what, long sleeve, you understand? The middle long sleeve, you understand? So subscribe for more videos.